Hey guys, my name is that Volkswagen guy, and today, you guys remember this car? That's right, the BMW is back. Now, I am actually just closing up at work here, so I will continue this video when I get in the car. So yeah, now I'm sitting in the BMW. I've just finished off closing up at work. But yeah, it's been about 5 months since this car has been seen on the channel. Actually, it's been about 5 months since I've driven the car. So, holy fuck, it's hot in here. So, today I'm going to basically describe like what was wrong with the Beamer, and yeah. So, first of all, it had a major misfire. So, it was running really bad. It was misfiring on 3 cylinders. So, what I did is took it to a shop, because 1, it's not my car. 2, I could have fixed it easily, but parents didn't believe in me. So, there's that. But yeah, we got the misfire taken care of. We replaced all 8 spark plugs, the ignition coils, and the wires. And we also replaced the valve cover gasket while we were at it because it had a major leak, which was causing the misfire as well. So we got that done. And then, sure enough, while the mechanic was actually gonna clear the codes, found out that the OBD2 port didn't work. So what he did is he did some searching, found where the problem was, and what it was corroded wires. So what he did is he ordered another OBD2 port off of another 99 BMW, oddly enough a 540i, that he ordered off eBay. Waited for it to come in, then cut the wires off the old one and then spliced it in, pretty much. That's what he did. And also he's got the radio working and replaced some of the fuses as well because they're all blown. So why am I making this video? This car does not have much life left in it. So we just spent $2,000 getting all that done. Now, there's more things wrong with the BMW. Like, one, for example, there's a really bad wobble, kind of like a death wobble actually. I was actually going to a memorial, and that's when I first noticed it. So I had to run back, grab another car, head up to the memorial. So there's that. We also found that there is a rear main seal leak, a pretty bad one. And apparently to get it fixed, you need to either drop the transmission or pull out the engine itself, which on a car like this, as much as we love it, honestly, it's not worth fixing. Another one is the transmission is starting to slip. Like, once you hammer it a little bit, it slips between second and third, like a really bad slip. So, and not to mention there's still timing chain rattle. So yeah, it's only a matter of time. So I've literally gotten permission just to drive it till it dies. And that's what I'm gonna do. I know my channel is called That Volkswagen Guy, but in my driveway right now, there is a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it's a Laredo. It's a 3.7 liter V6. I know, I'm not a Jeep guy. I'm actually like a German car guy, but it's the only car that I can get, and I'm actually going to be paying for it when I get all my debts settled. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update video for you guys. The Beamer is back. I know I got the AC going to be full blast, but let's get a start up on here. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the car, so I'll be quiet. Three, 2, 1. So yeah, sounds good. Actually just got the air on blowing on me now. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video, which, by the way, has to revolve around this and this. So, peace out, everybody.